Three things that scare people from investing in tax deed auctions. Number one, I'm going to owe thousands in back taxes on this property. Yes, potentially you could owe many years of back taxes that add up to thousands on a property. However, this rarely happens. But you will owe the year you purchase a property in. So if I buy it even towards the end of the year, let's say December 2022, I'm still going to owe that entire tax year. But rarely do we owe all the back tax years of what the property owed on it. Number two, I'm going to owe a bunch of money in liens, or all those liens that were on the property previously are going to carry over to me. Yes, potentially they could. However, more times than not, they do not. They get cleared out. How and why does this happen? I explain this in my course. But most times we do not have any liens that carry over to us. What we will be liable for is any liens that took place the year which we purchased it, just like the back taxes. So if we bought it in 2022, whatever's in that year that our liens are we will be held liable for. But typically, those previous years do get wiped out. There's a way this happens. Number three, the previous owner is going to come back and buy the property, and then I'm going to lose out. Well, potentially they could come back and buy the property, but you're not going to lose out. This rarely happens, though. Typically, does a homeowner ever come redeem the property? Right? But could it happen? Sure, it could. It's never happened to me. It's never happened to anybody that I know that actively practices this for real. But let's say they do. Let's say you buy a property for $20,000 and they want to come back and redeem it in year one. If they come back and redeem it in year one, they need to pay you your purchase price plus 25%. So for example, if you bought the property for $20,000 and they want to come back and redeem it, they need to pay $25,000 to get that back from you. If they come redeem it in year two, starting day 366, they need to pay you 50% of whatever the purchase price was. So $20,000 plus 50%, they need to come back with $30,000 to redeem that property. Now let's just think here, common sense. This person was not able to pay a single tax year and became delinquent many tax years. They would have paid $2,000 in property taxes. Now they went delinquent and they were delinquent $20,000 in taxes. It went to auction. Now they need to pay all that plus interest. Highly unlikely that this is really going to happen. And it doesn't. But could it? And is it in the books that they have the right to do that? Yes, it's called the redemption period or the redemption rights that they have. But rarely happens. My name is John Bonillas. I teach a course on how to do this. CASA Tax Deed Education can teach you how to compete in any county in the great state of Texas and everything that you need to know on every topic that I just covered and more. In my course, I go very detailed on how we research the properties, how we research back taxes, how we research liens, how we research land development on it, what's on the property, what we can do with it, land usage, if we can build on it even, because sometimes the county will sell you properties that you can't build on. I teach my students everything. I'd love it if you signed up for the course. We have it on a promo right now for $497. You can use this strategy in any county in the great state of Texas. I still actively practice this, and my students do as well too. You'll have constant support from me and my team along the way at completion of the course. So 210-767-CASA. If you'd like to know more information, or if you'd like to sign up on the link below right now, feel free to do so. I hope this quick video has helped to clear up the three things that scare people away from investing in tax deeds. My name is John Bonillas. I'm the owner and founder of CASA Tax Deed Education Training. I actively practice this in the state of Texas, and I teach students how to go out there and research the properties correctly, know what you're getting yourself into, and knowing what's a good tax deed investment and what's not. All for the course below, and we have it at a promotion right now. You can go ahead and click that link below to go ahead and purchase. After that, you do have continued support from me through your entire journey. My goal is to make you successful in this type of investment strategy. I simply cannot buy every property in the great state of Texas, but I can teach others how to do so.